Good morning, friends. So today I'll tell you how to insert time limit in Google Forms. So suppose this is a assessment paper or the Google form that you created through your ID in your mobile. So in mobile, if you click three dots here, so you will see there is no add-on button here, right? But if you access this Google form through your computer, you will see add-on button through those three dots, which is at the top side of the send button. Okay, so to get the add-on button in through the mobile, you need to click the top three dots, which is there written besides the search bar box. So if you click these three dots, you will get lot of options. There is an option desktop site. So just click this desktop site. So when you click the desktop site, you can see the Google form as you can access from the laptop. So through the laptop or the computer, the same thing, same view you can see through the mobile also. Okay. Now if you click the three dots which is there beside the send button, you will see a lot of options. So there is an option add-ons. So just click this add-ons. When you click the add-ons, it will open a pop-up in which there are a lot of options. So form notifications, form limiter, form ranger, form publisher. So there are many options here. So there is an option email notification for forms. So you need to click this button, email notification for forms. It will ask you install. So just install it. Okay, then there is a pop-up. You need to click continue. It will ask you the email ID through which Google form is made. So just enter the email ID or click the email ID. Okay, it will ask you some permission. So just click allow. So after clicking allow, it will install in your mobile. So there is a notification, email notification for the Google has been installed. So just click done button. Okay, and now close this pop-up box. G Suite Marketplace. You will see there is a cross button. So just click this cross, and now your Google form is there. And besides this, so if you see besides of the send button at the left side of the send button, there is a setting bar, then there is a preview eye option, eye icon, then there is a paint, and there is another option which is add-on button. So just click this add-on button. You will get the pop-up email notification for Google Forms. Just click that. Okay, so when you click this pop-up email notification for Google, you will get a lot of options in another pop-up. So there is an option limit Google form responses. Just click this option limit Google form responses. So when you click that option, okay, so new pop-up will open limit Google form responses. So open the form on start date and time and end date and time. So you need to enter the start date. So let us say I created the form. I want this assessment to be done on 4th of June. Time, let me take a time 10 a.m. ten a.m. and end date. So again, let me take this 4th of June, sorry, and end time. I want to make this test for 2 hours, so 12 o'clock. Okay, so I just put this start date, start time, end date, end time, and then you need to click button save. So just click the save. So this is how you can now close this pop-up. Close. Okay. So time limit is set for this assessment paper. So this is how you can insert time limit in any of the Google form through the mobile. Thank you so much.